Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find old servers in Blox Fruits. The first thing that you have to do is go to Google and search for RoPro. You want to click on this first website that pops up and then click on install on Chrome. Right here we will just click on add to Chrome. This is an extension which is safe, so you want to click on add extension, and this is going to install RoPro on your PC. Alright, so what we can do now is go back to Roblox and refresh the website, and as you can see it's gonna look like this. Now it's going to ask us to verify our RoPro user, so we will click on verify RoPro user and then verify your Roblox account in game. Alright, so what we have to do is now press the play button and then open Roblox game client. So what this is going to do is give us a code here, which we have to copy and paste. So you want to highlight the code and press Ctrl and C or Command and C on your PC if you're using Mac. Alright, so now we will paste this code, and I have to refresh this because I already had it open. So I'm going to close it, verify, open and play, open, and now it's going to reopen and give me a new code because that was my old code. Okay, so generate the code, and it's gonna look like this. Like I said, Control plus C or Command plus C. Go back. You want to press Command plus V or Control plus V to paste it, and it's gonna tell us verification successful. Now we are done with the first step. Now all we have to do is go into Blox Fruits. I'm just gonna search for Blox Fruits, click on the game itself, go into servers, and now right here you will see this filters. Click on filters and you will see oldest servers. You want to click on oldest servers, and that is going to sort it by the oldest servers, but it is going to require the premium version of RoPro. And that is how you find old servers in Blox Fruits. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.